Hello everyone and welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner where love cooks. In today's video, I'll be making a fruit punch. So please stay tuned and I'll be right back. Welcome back, and here I'm displaying the carrots, cucumber, ginger root, pineapple, and grapes, and all these fruits already are washed in warm water, and also I sliced, and now they are ready to go in the blender. Guys, it's best when you make your own fruit juice, I am telling you. So the blender is here and it's ready, and also I have the fruits ready, and I'll be using water. Here is my container that I'll be pouring the water in the blender, and you will need a container. So when the fruits is blended, you're gonna be transferring from the blender to this container. So here is my container to hold the blended juice. A sieve will be needed in this case as well to help in the extracting of the juice process, to separate the pulp from the juice. So guys, without further delay, let's get the blending start. So as you can see, I am transferring the fruits to the blender, and I'm taking my little time. In this process, I enjoy making juice for my family. It's the best way. We rarely buy juice in our house because we have a lot of fruits, and so I just put the blender to use, and my children love it, my family love it. So now the blender is ready to go. I'm gonna pour water just to cover the fruit, and in this case now we're gonna cover the blender and blend the fruits. Now that the blending is over with, I pour in the container that has been waiting to receive the blended juice, and I will continue to do the rest like the same manner in which I started. So guys, this is the juice that I received from the fruit. This is my overall blending, and I am using the spoon just to check if there's any large particle of fruit that is still remaining. Obviously not. So in this case, it's time for me to start straining the juice. So with this container here, I'm gonna be taking some of the juice from the container, and I'll be pouring in the sieve or the strainer to extract the pulp away from the juice, or should I say to separate the juice from the pulp. So in this case, after I'm finished with all this, I'm gonna sweeten all this juice with just a cup of organic brown sugar. I do not like a lot of sugar in my juice. So guys, we can see the juice is extracting away from the pulp, and I'm just gonna continue to pour more, and I'll be using the spoon as well just to squeeze on the pulp to get all the juice out of the pulp. And this I will continue to do until all the juice is fully strained, and I'm gonna sweeten, and the next time you see me, I will be presenting the juice. So please stay tuned. Guys, I wish you could smell the aroma from this ginger combination with all this refreshing fruits. It's a really great fragrance. My kitchen smells so lovely right now. But anyways, I've said enough. Just stay tuned for the presentation.